This is one more video, and today we'll analyze again how the market uh, run today. How many opportunities we got, how many opportunities we got but we failed, okay, and what all are the learnings from here we can take. So today was 11th January 2023. As we have seen yesterday, there was a bearish market from here to here. There was a big movement and all gap got filled. Okay, so today it was opened with a bearish bar. Okay, so what we'll do normally, we'll see first whatever the data. Yesterday it was FII negative data, means FI sold. Then global sentiment also, UK market and US market, it was negative. And the yesterday market was down. So three things was it was showing. Yesterday market it was negative, today also same thing, it may apply, and market may continue with the same movement. But most of the time in the market, what happens, it happens like this. If there is a big trending in the last day, so all people will think that same thing it will continue. There FII and DII plays a role, and they will trap the new traders. So in this case what happened, if market is opening with the bearish signal, okay, first of all you will be able to see there was a gap border was there. Okay, so immediately when it was opened, it filled immediately. Okay, so that things it happened. Okay, and second candle it broke previous day low. So most of the trader, they will think that market may continue go down, as there are two continuous red bar, as well as it broke previous day low bar, and people will immediately put a short position where FII take the advantages and trap the traders. Okay, so most of the people will take a trade here, and they may take the target up to here and put the stop loss here. So as a smart trader, what we have to do, we don't have to take a position here. Okay, yesterday we have taken the position because we have seen there are some bullishness here, then it broke a C pair. That is why we had taken the trade yesterday. But today you can say continuously two candle it broke. That means they want you to believe that market is going down, and you believed, and if you have believed, you got trapped. So what you have to do in that case, so you just wait, don't do anything. What market is showing, that only you see, don't think anything. If you will believe market will go down, it will not go down. What market says, you have to understand. See, after continuously red candle uh, generated, what you have done, one bullish candle bar it was formed. Okay, after bullish pin bar also you don't take the trade. Okay, why? Because if you take trade, maybe from this resistance it may take retest and come down. Okay, so do not do this kind of trade. Instead, just wait this bullish pen bar as well as this day low of the yesterday to be broken. When it breaks here, in a 780.62 you just take a trade up to 930. From 862 up to 930 till CPR. As I told you, CPR can act as a resistance as and support. So here maybe it would have written. Okay, so take the trade up to here, and if you would have taken that trade, you would have got around 70 points. Okay, here I'll mark. Here you would have taken the trade, and here is the target, and below to that candle you put a stop loss. Okay, here you are getting 2.36 risk reward ratio. I will tell this trade as bullish pin bar reversal. This strategy one, I'll tell you how many strategies here, and for the strategy I am making a separate video. Okay, that I will post on every weekend. This strategy, every strategy in different scenario, how it will act, that also I will mention. And daily analysis, I will show you what are the strategy actually it was worked. Okay, this strategy name is bullish pin bar reversal. So we have seen, okay, and how many point we got in Nifty, as I want to show these points very clearly, so that you will be able to know what is the capacity and what is the capabilities of the market. uh, Sorry, how much you how much you can get from the market. Okay, if I'll not do that, so that I will not be able to measure. And as a trader you are a businessman, so before going to a business you have to understand what the potential of your market and what is the potential of yourself, how much you can get from the market. Then only you will be able to decide whether you are going to trade or not to trade. If by simply nothing you are understanding and going to the market thinking that the market will give a supreme return within very short span of time, this is not for you, believe me. First you have to calculate, you have to be a mathematician, and you have to understand what is the profit and loss, what is the ROE or ROI. Okay, then only you will get to know actually this business is for you or not. That is why I am mentioning every analysis. I will mention these things compulsorily, so that it will be helpful whenever you are also doing how I am doing every day. That also you have to do how much you are getting, how much you are losing. Okay, then only you will be able to decide whether you will be option buyer or seller or a future trader. Okay, let it be that things. So we'll how much we got, we'll see. Okay, so this is the reward potential and this is the risk potential. Okay, and option also will measure simultaneously. Option nothing, whatever reward and risk you are getting here, just 50%, because we are taking in the money option, slightly at the slightly in the money and at the money option. Okay, so this is target is 69.15. This is the one risk reward you are able to get it, and risk is you are taking 29.35. So if this trade has been unsuccessful, you would have lost only 14 point 15 points, let it be, and the reward you would have got if it would have been successful, it is 34 points. For giving 14 point, you may receive 34 point per share. So you have 50 lot size is 50, so that you will be able to get, okay. So this is actually your risk. This is your risk in Nifty, in INR, and this is your reward. Okay. So similarly, for option this is. So for this one, so for if you are trading with Nifty future, you are risking 1400 rupees and getting reward for 3457. And for option, if you are trading, you are risking for 733 rupees, and you have potential to get the reward of rupees 1728 rupees. So percentage also we will calculate all together, how many you would have lost, how many you would have won altogether. We'll see the potential of the market on a given. This is a today is a entirely choppy day. You will be able to see there is no trending market. You are able to see there is a trending, no trending market. And this is the power of CPR, where in the trending market also you will get more trades as compared to trending day. Here also you can get a trade, 2 3, you will not get more, but 3 trades I will suggest you, where you would have taken and you would have successfully done the trade today. Maybe one somewhere you would have lost your stop loss. Maybe here some people take the trade, and this is a strategy, sometimes it works, but I prefer there should be a consolidation before breakout. Okay, if you are properly doing a trade, so you get 2 or 3 confirmations compulsorily. Otherwise, if you are taking trade without any confirmation, sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work, but our accuracy should be at least more than 50%. Since this is a case, you would have taken a trade in the second candle, you would have lost your stop loss, you would have hit your stop loss, and you would have lost your money. But immediately, if you are proper trader, again you would have taken one trade more. Not in a case if you are continuously losing 2 trades, okay, and your risk of capital not more than 1%, then you are fine with that. For example, here you are losing 700, and here also another trade was there where you would have lost your stop loss another 700, so total you would have lost 1500. Sometimes these two also will win, where you will get 1500 3000. This is how stock market and option market works. Every day we will not be able to make the profit, and every day also we are not going to lose the money. This is what, but the thing is, people will not understand this thing. People not having this calculation sheet, they will think that if they are winning every day they will win continuously 7 days also you can lose, but there is also potential that next 7 days also you can earn the money. So you have to think in that way, then only in this market you can survive. Hope you are understanding the things properly. Let's go ahead. So here you got one trade. Okay, I'll mark also where and where you got the trade. Here you mark, I marking one trade you got. Okay, here. Okay, another trade where you can get, another trade where you can trade. See, I'll tell you, one supply zone is there. I'll mark you that also now. Here, this one. Supply by origin is it is a supply. Why? From here it moved downward so fast. So whenever from a area it moved down so fast, it is a supply zone. Okay, chances of this FII and FII had sold the option here. Okay, so there is a chances of getting reversal from here. And what is the second confirmations? Here we have seen one bearish pin bar. Okay, third thing was what? There is a center CPR, that is CPR, center pivot. So as I told, there should be at least 3 confirmations to take a trade, and we got a confirmation from here. Here another confirmation also, my market is negative. Here this one it gave a retracement, and here market is negative, so taking trade here is more probable than here, because market is downwards. Market is downward, it given a retracement, and it's facing resistance at the resistance level, both supply zone as well as CPR, and there is a pin bar, bearish pin bar. So chances of getting reversal is more probable. Hope you understood. So this is the second trade you would have taken. Okay, if you are taking this trade, how much you are getting, that also, because every time profit and loss. If I will not show what is the profit potential, then this strategy is useless. So not like other. I thought these things no one is showing. What is the profit potential for every trade? See, I will trade. That time I will show means I am tempting you. But here I will show the potential. After that, that is your decisions. Okay, I'll tell that is a potential, and that is the stop loss, that is a profit. Okay, so here if you are taking a short position, with this line, okay, and don't see, you are risking here, just putting above the supply zone and middle CPR. Okay, and your target must be to here, but when it has already given, one second, because you are taking, okay, I will, what I'll do, so you are risking only 15 points and your risk potential is 84 points. 84 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost 5 is to 5 your risk potential. You are taking trade here, here, and you are putting stop loss here, and your risk potential, I was supposed to tell you up to day low, up to here, but when you are seeing the this one, okay, when you are seeing, because you have already achieved this one, achieve 2 is to 1, more than 2 is to 1 here, and you are seeing the a bullish pin bar, instead of coming to the day low, here you can book the stop loss, sorry, here you can book the profit. That is how a smart trader plays. Okay, book a profit here. Okay, okay, so take only 60 points here, it 84 it's showing, I'm just 15 point I'm giving the stop loss for 60 point. I'll take, see, reward 60, second trade. This trade is called supply zone and bearish pin bar reversal. 60, risk 15. Okay, then you just option, it is just 1 second, getting 30 and is only 7.5. We'll calculate with the 50 lot size, we'll see how much you can get. See, 3000 only you are about to get with giving 750 as your stop loss. It is almost 4 times. If I am winning, no, 2 out of 2, see, 10,000, 6,000, 6,000, 450, 60% is to today itself I am winning. I am not telling you win one, anything you win one and lose this one. Okay, still you are 1500, 15% of your capital you are getting that day itself. This is the power of option. So what I am trying to tell you, just analyze this way every day. Okay, and also as I told you, I will tell you the full strategy. I have 25 to 26 strategy only based on this CPR, and I have been observing this since last 5 years. Okay, so I am seeing this is working, but since uh, I have been working in a company, I am only able to analyze, but whenever I'm getting free, then only I can take trade. I'm taking the trade. Okay, when maybe this year end, I will be able to show you the profit I have achieved in this year. Okay, but for the timing, I don't want to tempt that how much I have gained the profit. That's why I'm not showing the profit. Or in some cases, if in between office I'll get an opportunity and I'll trade that time, I'm free mind. And most of the time, if you are not in a free mind, you cannot analyze that time, and you will take the trade, you will be unsuccessful or will be failure. But in my case, if I'm taking trade, even though I'll lose the money, that things also share, so that these things should not be happened with you. So let's see. So we got two trade. Okay, one is bullish pin bar reversal and bearish pin bar. Spelling is mistake because I am not concentrating on that. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so these two trade you would have got. Suppose in one day you were losing. Okay, you that day your day is bad. Even the two opportunities you got and two you failed. How much you are losing? How much you are losing? See this and this. 2,200. And if you have 2 lakhs capital, only you are losing 1%. That's fine. But don't trade the capital which you can't bear. For example, one person is having only 50,000 and immediately that day itself is trading with 30,000. Okay, sometimes, and he's not having any emotional control, he's not having money management, he will lose 30,000. Next day he will be able to trade, he will get that courage to trade, he can't. That is normal human tendency. So please do not do that. I am telling to the risk who is actually newly comer and they don't know. And if they know only the things is how price action works. But deeply they have to think these things also. Okay, then they will decide actually, yeah, if it takes me for 3 years, let it be, but let be a successful trader. I don't want immediate money. I want money gradually. So I hope you understand. Let it be because I don't want to take so much of time on this. Okay. So this is one trade. This is one trade. So this also I'll mark. Here I have this one is not required, so I'm removing this one. Removing. So another trade. This is scalping trade you can take here. Okay. This is scalping trade. Okay. So here you will take the trade. So this is a trade I told you, no, this is the trade, this is a trade. Okay, this is a trade 1 2. Then another trade here. See, look, this is called a modern W pattern. Previous W pattern is different. I don't know how they were explaining, but that W pattern nowadays it is not working. I have seen. If it is working, it is a large time frame it is working, but in small time frame it is not working at all. So this is a pattern. Okay, because see, look, market came here, went here. Okay, market from here to here it came. Okay, again it came to here, then it making a reversal bullish bar from here to here. I'm not telling up to here, from here to here there are chances to go, and it works very perfectly in the sideways market. Still it was sideways market. From when we got to know, here itself we got to know this is a sideways market because market was not moving from here to here. You see, up to that time yesterday how much it was moving, and today how much it was moving. From here we got to know this is sideways market. That means market is not going to down that much. For example, you are taking risk here, you are taking trade here, you take the risk up to days low. Below days low you put stop loss and put the target up to here. Okay, I'll show you that also. For everything I am telling you, for everything I'll show I'll tell you the strategy, I'll tell you the winning percentage as well as your profit potential. So here you are taking trade. Here you put stop loss just below this candle. Okay. How much you have got? 24.70 is your 24.70 your 52.55 is your reward. Okay, and in option 26.27 is your reward, 12.35 is your loss potential. So we'll convert into rupee with 50 size lot. How much potential we'll be able to see. Look, again 2627 your potential is there, and 1235 here is still 2:1, so that your loss thing is more. Okay, so likewise this day also we got 3 trade. Okay, 3 trade. So maybe you are getting 2 successful, if you are getting 3 successful. Okay, for example you are winning first one and losing another 2. Okay, you are losing 1985 and winning 34, almost 1500 your net profit, even though 2 you are losing. Okay, winning 1, still you are in profit. This is how the market runs. Okay, hopefully you are able to understand this. So try to analyze the market in this way. Also I'll tell you how I am checking the global market. I am checking with the Yahoo Finance. And for FI I am checking stockage. Maybe internet is slow, that is why it is having some issue. So look, so 11th January also FII has sold. Okay, so for FII data also it is showing negative. So see here itself I'll put Jan 12. Okay, okay, FI is negative. Today this was sideway. Okay, so sideway I am putting in yellow mark. Okay, and global sentiment I'll tell you 1 second. So it is not coming. Let me check my mobile and I'll let you know. As you can check money control. Money. Maybe system is slow, that's why it's working very less. Okay, I will take your time. See global market. So there is a flat. There is a, you see there is a very less movement, or you can say it is a positive. Okay, it's a positive. It can be positive. Okay, so FIA is today tomorrow market, whatever it will be there, that I'll write, then only I can analyze. So sideways, this is positive and FIA. So from market, global market, we are unable to know what will be happen. It may be a gap down since FII sold because SGX Nifty will get to know in morning itself. Accordingly market will open. Okay, but from here we will be able to know, don't know if yesterday tomorrow market will start with negative and SGX things is negative, and there are lot of time also global market can be changed. We'll think of a negative market and it can go down again. If there will be a reversal, it will be a big reversal, remember these things. Okay, tomorrow we'll decide about the January 12th data. Thank you for the videos. Hopefully you are getting the benefit, and if you are getting the benefit, anytime it will reach to you. Okay, you just check from the backdated date itself. So all the strategies and market scenario you will get uh, in a very short span of time. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share these things to everyone, so that at least all people will get to know the things how it is happening. Okay, thank you, bye.